So if you know the beginner's method and you want to get faster, this is a CFOP tutorial, which stands for cross, F2L, which is first two layers, OLL, and then PLL. So it all comes together to be CFOP. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration. So right here, you just need to do what you do in the beginner's method first. So you need to find all the pieces and match them up. But see, you don't go like that to match them up like that. Actually, you have to like move the cross away and then insert it. And then if you can find another piece like right here, put it right here because that's opposite to orange. So you can insert it like that. And then align the cross and put that in. And there's something called the next cross where once you align the cross, you get an F2L pair. So that can happen, but I won't cover that in the video. Alright, so you need to make F2L pairs. So basically you don't make the first layer and then you don't go like that, nothing like that. So what you do is you find a piece, so like a corner and an edge that are the same color, but don't include white. Or if you're solving it on the yellow, don't include yellow. So right here, you just want to match them up like that. So just pair them up and then insert it. And then if you get lucky, you get yourself a free pair. So you can just insert it into the back, just like that, and then restore. And then this one, you just put in the back so that orange is facing you and orange is facing the top. Then you just hide this, move this over to here, and then bring it back down. And then when you bring it back down, you get a pair. And then you have this. So you just need to hide this, move it like that, and then have them ready to pair up. So when you pair them up, they end up like that. And that's the first step, or the second step. Then you have something called OLL. So this is kind of beginner OLL. And you use one algorithm to make the yellow face. So this one's pretty easy. And then you have a PLL, which this is a JPerm, which you should go watch. You should go watch his OLL tutorial and his full PLL. Watch both those, and then you'll know how to do that. Alright. And then if you want, you can watch my PLL, not PLL, F2L. Alright, so right here, you just have to start off with the cross. So I'm assuming you should already know it if you watched the beginner tutorial. So right here, you just make the cross. So what I would do is I'd match green up that, and then insert orange, because if I insert green first, that breaks up orange. So I'll insert orange, and then move the cross away so that I can insert that right here, and then align. So I have a free pair right here, and I want to put it right here. So there's something you can do called sledgehammer, which is like this. But you don't have to do that. You can just insert it normally. I think I like sledgehammer, or both, either way. Alright, and so this one, you just have to have the white facing, if you have the white facing up and this one right here, you just hide the corner, move this right here so that when you bring it down, it comes here. And then you just match them up. And then you just want to bring this pair right here, just like that, and then insert it. Alright, and then this pair is pretty easy. We can match them up, and they'll probably end up like right here or here. So they'll end up maybe right here. And then we'll insert those into the back. Match them up. And then, if you want, you can do this. That's just something I found, but you don't have to do that. I think it's a pretty cool trick. I messed it up a little. There you go. So, you don't have to do that. I just thought it was pretty good, but... Alright, so, if you have the corner on the bottom like this, or the white is facing out to your right, and you have the corner right here, and just pair them up, and then just move them right here, and then you could use sledgehammer to put it in. And then you have OLL, which I said you should watch JPerm for its full tutorial. So just like that. And then we have this PLL. Just like that. And I also recommend learning finger tricks to get even faster. That's how I did it. So like for this, pinch it with no regrips. Just like that. JPerm's my favorite. Just like that.